In a video earlier that reducing prices to win orders is a disastrous pricing strategy for manufacturing businesses. We should charge good price and earn reasonably good margins to grow our small manufacturing business. In this video, I am going to explain what are the different pricing strategies you can use in your small manufacturing business. The first is value-based pricing. So charge higher pricing by showing and adding value. Customers might be willing to spend little extra if they see the value add. Consider ROI calculations, efficiency enhancements, convenience, lifetime value, etc. Consultative and solution selling approach works best in such cases. Second is the packaged or bundled pricing. Offer something additional along with the main requirement where the value perceived by the buyer is much higher than your cost of delivering the offering. AMC, spares, consumables, O&M, additional warranty, etc. are some of the examples. Third is transparent pricing. Now this takes more of a collaborative approach between the buyer and the seller. Both benefit by transparently sharing cost breakups and splitting the scope. The scope might reduce, but the profitability and winning probability may remain intact. This works well for OEM or recurring business. Fourth is dynamic pricing. Decide pricing based on careful study of customer types, strengths and weaknesses of competitors and yourself. You may call it opportunity-based pricing. And fifth is multiple options. So work out different options to offer such as premium and economy versions and handhold them to select the right one. Now remember, A or B grade customers buy sensibly. Only the C grade customers might buy cheapest with no considerations to quality or merit. They will make your life miserable and damage your business. Don't deal with them, send them to your competitors instead. I strongly recommend first option, that is value-based pricing. And if you wish to know how to sell using value-based pricing, write value-based pricing in comments. Thank you.